Hi everyone, I'm Tara and I'm in my 2007 BMW 335i hardtop convertible. Today I'm having a different kind of adventure because I have a flat tire and I'm sitting at the side of the highway. So come along and join me as I'm sure I'm going to have an interesting day. I was driving when I felt my tire go flat, so I pulled over. I have a portable pump that I keep in my trunk and I've plugged it into my lighter, but it doesn't seem to be doing anything. I'm going to slowly drive off the highway and call a tow truck. When I call for a tow truck, I know to ask for a flat deck tow truck and some 2x4s because my car is lowered. It does take some extra effort to ensure my car isn't damaged when being towed.
$35 charge, right?
Why?
Because your car needs a deck. I got a rule.
I was allowed in the shop to watch my tire being replaced up close. So it turns out my tire was just completely bald, and I'm pretty lucky that I didn't crash. This machine is used to remove the tire from the wheel. I've always wanted to see how this thing works. I'm lucky that I didn't damage the wheel while driving on the flat tire. This is a balance machine. It shows that my tire is not balanced, so he's adding weight to it. I bought these Falcon Azenis since they didn't have my usual Hankook V12s in stock and I didn't have time to order them. So hopefully they're good. Let me know if you have the same Falcons and how you like them. Okay, my car is ready to go and I'm excited to get back on the road safely. Thanks to 1010 Tires for letting me watch, and thanks for watching.